Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the Xbox failed to start cloud. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So our first step is to restart the Xbox application. For that you need to enter into the task manager and then please enter the Xbox. So once it's done, please close it. So our second step is to sign out and sign in the Xbox application. For that you need to enter into your Xbox. Over there at the top left corner you may see the user. Please click it and sign out the Xbox application. Once it's done, please sign in again to restart your game. So I'm gonna sign in again. So please check whether the issue is solved or not after these steps. Yeah. So our third step is to repair the Xbox application. For that you need to enter into your settings. Over there application and then enter into the installed apps and then search for Xbox. At the right corner at the three dot icon, please enter into the advanced option and you may see the repair and reset. Please do that. So our fourth step is to repair gaming services. For that you need to enter into the settings. Over there you need to enter into the apps and installed apps and please search for gaming. You may see the advanced option, please enter into that and please do repair and reset one by one. So once it's done, please close it. And our fifth step is to reinstall gaming services. So for that you need to enter into the PowerShell as run as administrator mode. Once it's done, please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there and hit enter. Then copy the second prompt in the description and paste it over there and please click enter and please install the gaming services. So once it's done, please close it. And our sixth step is to restart network settings. For that you need to enter into the command prompt as run as administrator mode and please copy the prompt in the description and then paste it in the command prompt. Once it's done, please exit it. And our seventh step is to disable proxy. For that you need to enter into the settings and then and then network and internet and please scroll down, you may see the proxy and then click a setup. Please disable the setup and then save it. So each step is to update Windows. For that you need to enter into your settings and Windows update and please check for the update. If it shows any issues, please do check out my video to solve it. Yeah, here there is no issues, it's good to go. Once all this done, please restart your PC. The issue will be solved. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe to